Welcome to Rome Tips. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that like button for more content like this. All the links mentioned in this overview are down in the description below. This video covers my personal experience with Oracle NetSuite ERP. Oracle NetSuite ERP is a cloud-based enterprise resource planning (ERP) system designed for businesses of all sizes. Its main purpose is to integrate various business processes, including financial management, inventory control, customer relationship management, CRM, and human resources. Key features include accounting, order management, and supply chain management tools. Their website provides details on the various plans and features available. NetSuite positions itself as a comprehensive and scalable ERP solution, emphasizing ease of use and integration capabilities. They highlight the ability to customize the system to specific business needs. Their website claims robust reporting and analytics tools. They boast a strong focus on automation to improve efficiency, though pricing is typically tailored to individual business requirements and not openly published on their main site. Availability is global, but a consultation is usually necessary to determine suitability for a specific business. Now, let's talk about my personal experience using Oracle NetSuite ERP. Getting started was surprisingly smooth. The onboarding process was well structured, with helpful tutorials and documentation. Navigating the interface was intuitive once I got the hang of it. The dashboard provided a clear overview of key metrics. For example, I found it very easy to track inventory levels and generate sales reports. I used the order management features extensively, and the automation features significantly reduced the time spent on manual data entry. Performance was generally excellent. The system was responsive and reliable, even during peak usage times. I had a quick question about configuring a custom report, and their support team responded within a day via email, providing clear and helpful instructions. I was really impressed by how easily I could integrate it with our existing CRM. One minor drawback was the initial learning curve. It took me a couple of weeks to fully master all the functionalities. The sheer volume of features initially felt overwhelming. Another small con was the lack of a dedicated mobile app for quick access to key data, forcing me to log in through the browser. Overall, I'm quite satisfied with NetSuite ERP. It's a powerful and versatile system that has streamlined many of our business processes. While it has a few quirks, it generally met my needs and exceeded my expectations in terms of reporting capabilities. That's my overview of Oracle NetSuite ERP. If you found this helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Rome Tips for more reviews and tech tips. Check the description for any relevant links. Thanks for watching.